Today is pretty exciting because I've got the first mod for the monkey. The box is pretty much the same size as the bike. It could go terribly wrong. I'm a man, so don't need them. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are well. Today is pretty exciting because I've got the first mod for the monkey. Obviously on the first video you see I said I was going to mod the monkey up. Not massively, just change a few things here and there. And the first thing I ordered was a new exhaust. It arrived this morning. I am a little bit concerned because, I mean, the box is pretty much the same size as the bike. So I'm a little bit concerned they've sent me the wrong exhaust. But this is it, this is the box. As you can see, it's quite a big box for a very little bike. So yeah, a little bit concerned, but we're not gonna know until we open it up and have a look. So I've got my cup of tea, got my exhaust, hopefully. So we'll open up and have a look. Well, that's a good start because the invoice says a Honda Monkey. So, yeah, looking good so far. So the boxes are getting smaller, which is good. Instructions how to fit it. I'm a man, so don't need them. That's more like it. There. Little Yoshimora. Oh, it's got a baffle as well, so obviously taking that out. So just so you're aware, this is a Yoshimora, I believe it is a Yoshimora GP race exhaust. I mean, not that I'm going to be racing anyone or anything on this, but yeah, just gets rid of that big bulky thing. I put some stats on the screen because when I actually looked at this exhaust, it says it gives it like 8.9% more power and something else more torque. But I'll put that on the screen so you can see. But yeah, I think it's going to look decent, isn't it? So I suppose I should crack on taking that apart. But first, I'm going to start the bike up, let you hear what it sounds like with the standard exhaust. Spoiler, it sounds like a bit of a sewing machine. So we'll do that and then we'll take it apart, fit the Yoshi, and we'll start up again and see how it sounds. Okay, to be fair, in here it doesn't actually sound that bad. It sounds actually quite meaty, but I can assure you when you're actually riding along and when you're out and about, it sounds horrendous. Anyway, I have my cup of tea, I've got my tools, I've got my mechanical knowledge, which is pretty much zero. So this is going to be a trial and error thing. Hopefully I haven't got to ring up my local mechanic, which is Redford Baron. He helped me with my servo eliminator on my XR. So fingers crossed, I don't need him and I can actually do this myself. That was one of the reasons I bought this bike, because apparently they're really, really easy to work on. So, and I mean, I've had a quick look. It's a matter of just taking off this pipe here, taking that exhaust off and replace it with a new one. So, sounds really simple, but this is me doing it. So, it could go terribly wrong. Actually, with that said, I might just get the instructions, just in case. Yep, doesn't look too bad. So, Alexa, play some tunes and we'll crack on.
Here's a mix for you on Amazon Music.
Thanks.
You hypnotize. hypnotize me. You hypnotize me.
So, that's the stand exhaust. Off. Next stage. Fit the Yoshi. Ta-da! There we go. It's on. Video might have cut out a little bit because, you know, overheating of the GoPro and all that, but it was just me fiddling around with some nuts and bolts and getting a little bit stressed out and stuff, but it's on. It's done. I haven't started it yet, so this is going to be my first start. So, let's go. Let's go. Sounds alright. Now, it has got a baffle. I think it's only right that we test it without the baffle. Baffle is out. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. For a little 125, that sounds alright, doesn't it? Yeah, I'm happy with that. No more sewing machine to go down the road. Can't wait to take it out, but unfortunately it's raining and I don't want to get wet and, well, there's plenty of chrome on this bike and I don't want to have to clean all the chrome. So, unfortunately, I am going to have to wait until it's dry, but it wasn't too bad to fit in the end. A little bit fiddly here and there, but nothing major. I mean, if I can do it, anyone can do it. Yeah, really, really pleased with that. So I'll put some sort of the before, the after, and then the after without the baffle in at the end of the video. So you can compare the three, but I'm going to be honest, as I do most of my bikes, the baffle might just stay out. I wonder if it's actually going to make any difference to the power. I don't think for a second it will, but it will sound good anyway. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. The next video will hopefully be me taking it for a spin. If you're interested to see what it sounds like when it's out on the road and sort of really giving it some, subscribe to the channel and I shall see you on the next video. Catch you later.